I hold a lot of gratitude for the responsibility that bestowed on the Committee of Finance and National Planning as per the Standing Order number 245. The Committee of Finance and National Planning carried out the most extensive public participation in the history of Parliament. Our members of the committee sat between 10 and 12 hours every day listening to the members of the public, listening to various views of Kenyans. Our members of Secretariat sat hours reviewing the over 1,500 memoranda that were sent to us by email, taking care to respond individually to each of those emails with comments and noting those comments in our report, a report that we have annexed, that we tabled yesterday, that provide annexures of around 3,000 pages. Honorable Speaker, this comes at a time when we also, yesterday evening, we did the estimates and the appropriations, Honorable Speaker. It's very interesting to note that the Committee on Budget and Appropriations Committee, when they are doing their budget participation on the budget, the views of the Kenyans and the Kenyans who appeared before them all came with smiling faces, because they were saying, we want that road completed, we want that dam done, we want connection of water in our homes, we want extension of electricity connection in our homes. But, Honorable Speaker, the experience may not have been the same when we were asking the members of the public on the views of how that budget that they really wanted implemented, we would raise the funds to fund that particular budget, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, before I go to materials on the